Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to check out the BEV by BLACK+DECKER. And BLACK+DECKER sent us this for the review. So what this is, it's like a personal bartender. You use these little cartridges and you put your own alcohol in here, and then it will make up a perfectly mixed cocktail for you. So BLACK+DECKER sent us the BEV, and they sent us a sample of these Bartesian cocktail capsules to do this review. So let's check it out.
All right, can I open it?
Yep, so Mark is going to help me open it today.
Oh, okay, so I can tell you one thing. This is a heavy box. So, okay, here we go. Wow, look at that.
All right.
So this is what it looks like opening up the...
Don't forget to use a coaster.
Oh, that's always important.
Oh, and there are little coasters in there. That's kind of cute.
Oh, look at that.
Little coasters.
There's one on the top, too.
There's 4 of them.
Cool. All right.
Right.
Hold it. Directions.
Comes with the directions.
And a stirring stick.
Oh, this is not a stirring stick.
No?
No.
Ooh.
This is a little cleaner because it comes with reusable stainless steel straws that pull up the alcohol through the bottle.
Oh, that's neat.
I looked at the box.
Oh, you cheated. Went ahead. Okay.
Here we go. We've got that. A little cleaner.
I'm going to put it down because I don't think
Decorations. Or I'm sorry, the directions. Haven't even started drinking yet.
I know. Here, look at this. There's
Right,
nothing in there. Nothing on the sleeve. Okay, so there's a box of stuff. There you go. All right, I'm going to put this out and oh, can't do it. Okay. Wow. Okay, that's a little bit of work. All right, here you go.
This is to put some water in because you can also make mocktails. All right, here's like a little drain dish.
Is that for when you spill your drink?
So when maybe you overflow your drink a little bit, there's a little thing that you can use to clean this out.
Kind of like a coffee machine that you see.
It's very much like a coffee machine.
It ain't coffee though.
But it's not coffee. There's a little plate here that you could hold a smaller glass, or you could flip that up if you have a tall drink. And this is where you put the cartridge in. So there's 6 little pads, 3 on each side, and you can use that for your liquor. And it's got little notifications here because it needs to know which liquor to pull from which spot.
Oh, so it tells you which one they are.
Yep. So
this is the water one.
This is where you put your water. And over here we've got markers for rum, gin, and tequila. And then there's whiskey, vodka, and water.
I'm going to guess it's the power adapter, but it could be wrong. Oh, it's pretty small. Look at this.
That is a pretty small.
It's a pretty small power adapter.
Yeah. Give it to me. Here, you open this box. So this is the power adapter. I think the power adapter for my iPad is bigger than this thing. This is really small, so I guess it doesn't need that much power.
Wow. Okay, so here we go. Are these glass? No, they're stainless steel.
No, those are the straws.
And they're stainless steel.
All right, so these are the little straws that you put inside your alcohol, and then you hook them up into here. You know, the nice thing about this too is that, you know, you can mix drinks with your favorite liquor, but if you want to just make a mocktail, you don't need to have liquor. You can just use water. You just put this in here.
Cap it.
Cap it like that.
And the cool thing is when you put all your bottles in here, you can just leave it. You don't have to do anything else with it.
Basically, there's a little tab. You lift up the tab, it goes in like that, and you snap it closed.
And it draws it out of the
And it draws the water out of the bottle, so that's pretty neat. So here on top of it, it's got kind of some basic instructions. It's got rum, gin, tequila, whiskey, vodka, water bottle. It tells you need to turn it on, which is good. There is a cleaning mode, so if you need to clean it out. Oh, there's a party mode. I guess that just has some really cool lights. That will be fun to check out. You have to load your liquor. And then once you've loaded all your liquor or your water, you want to make a mocktail, it's time to make a drink.
Okay, now there's more tubes, one for each bottle.
There's one for each bottle. We don't have booze with us today. All right, but the real magic of the BEV are these Bartesian capsules. So these are cocktail capsules. So they have about 40 different kinds of these Bartesian capsules that are compatible with this BEV. And this one that we got, it's got 6 different kinds. It's got Long Island iced tea, whiskey sour, margarita, cosmopolitan, Uptown Rocks, whatever that is, and old fashioned. And each one of these tells you which liquors you need to have for them. And then you can make your cocktails different strengths. You can make them mocktail, so there's no no booze, light, regular, or strong. And it also tells you how much volume of the alcohol is going to be for each particular drink.
So let's see. So how does it work? You just take one of these?
You take one of these.
Okay.
And what happens is there's a little barcode on it. And this Bev is going to read the barcode. Once you put it in, read the barcode, it knows exactly what it needs to make that drink. I'm not going to start it because I don't want to make a old-fashioned. But that's what it does. So it basically reads the barcode and knows how to make the drink. And then once you put your cocktail capsule in there, it knows what you need. You put your glass here on the shelf. Let me turn it on.
Okay, now watch. This is cool. Look at that. Ooh,
all the lights
that's
came
cool.
on. Oh, there's party mode. Did you turn it on party mode?
I turned it on. Whatever this is here, and then there's this one here. I don't know what that does. Oh, that's neat.
That must be party mode.
No wonder. It's like, maybe it's a couple of modes.
Well, the lights are pretty cool. All right, so here on the front, you can see, you can dial up your strength. So this one on the end is no alcohol. There's light. Then there's medium or regular and strong. So there you go. So you can dial up your cocktail however you like it. And then once you push this mix button, it knows how much alcohol to draw to make your perfect cocktail.
Can I play with the button again? Oh, that is just cool. Look at that.
Yeah, so the lights are pretty neat, the little lights down. Also, it does say that for best results, you should keep these little Bartesian capsules in the refrigerator so they're nice and cold. All right, we're going to make a Cosmopolitan here. All right, got my capsule in there. It's closed. This one, actually, there's a little thing here that says they recommend a shaker, but we don't have a shaker right now, so we're just going to drink it out of a glass. So we want this to be a mocktail, so we'll turn it over here so there's no liquor coming out. And you notice now the light is just on the water, so that's all that's going to come out.
How do you know how big the glass has to be?
Well, I don't know how big the glass is.
So maybe I should get a bigger glass.
Well, yeah, let's get a bigger glass.
Let's get a bigger glass.
So here's our first mock Cosmopolitan with the Bev. Got this big glass here just in case. It's on no alcohol. We're going to push mix. Ready?
Oh, that's cool. So all the flavor and everything else is in that cartridge then?
All the flavors in the cartridge. So these cartridges, you can read all the ingredients right on the box. It tells you exactly what's in each one of these. So these are just like different juices. This Cosmopolitan's water, sugar, cranberry juice, concentrate, natural flavors, etc., etc. So that's what these are. These are all these are all juices and flavors that are here to make the drinks. No alcohol is in those cartridges. So actually, Mark, I could have had the small glass.
Oh, you could have.
Because this is a pretty small little Cosmopolitan here.
Now, how many drinks does it make?
Well, each capsule is good for one drink.
Okay.
And so our little pack came with...
I think it came with 6.
It came with 6.
Yep. Is it good?
I can definitely taste the lime juice in there. I don't taste any alcohol because
Right.
it's all water.
Oh, that tastes good.
It tastes pretty good. It
Yeah.
tastes better with ice.
That's awesome.
But yeah, it's pretty good. You can really taste the cranberry and the lime juice in there for sure. All
So
right.
that's it, huh?
And I'll put on my little coaster.
There we go.
All right, so that's it. That is the Bev by BLACK+DECKER. It's your own personal bartender for home. It works with these little cartridges from Bartesian, so you can make all kinds of different cocktails. All you need to add is your own liquor or water if you want to have mocktails. And it's a great addition to your house and makes parties even more fun.
Thank you.
Cheers.